today we are going to be going on a trip to Animal Kingdom. Gonna try to get on everything in Pandora and hopefully Expedition Everest, Dinosaur, all that. Got my Everest t-shirt on, so as a shout out to the Daily Woo, I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? Yeah. I'm also hoping to really run into some vloggers. I still haven't ran into many. I've seen some people, but not people that I've seen on YouTube per se. I've been following them all on Instagram, and everybody seems to be a day off of me. They've all been going to completely different parks that we would have been going to the next day. So hopefully we run into them. I will see you all at Animal Kingdom. This is one of my favorite parks because why, Christy? Why is it one of your favorite parks? Christy, this is one of my favorite parks because why?
The vegetation.
The vegetation? Oh my gosh, my glasses are fogging up so bad today.
Might be more humid.
My sunglasses. Well, no, it's like coming from my breath from the mask, but like, I don't know. Hi.
All right, you ready for your expedition today?
Very ready for it.
Welcome. Have a magical day.
Thank you, you too. She asked me if I'm ready for this expedition today because of my Expedition Everest t-shirt. Ooh. What was that, Josh? It's like, you ready for the blue sky because your blue shirt? I see you choose blue for your phone, Nick. I did choose blue for my phone. Is that because I got first? I loved it. Cobalt blue. Here's my animal fact of the day. Does everybody know why pelicans get their pink color?
Pelicans.
Why flamingos get their pink color? Josh?
It's from the shrimp that they eat.
You know how they get
Well-
their pink color?
Well,
Shrimp.
it's pink. Yes, from shrimp. See, this is such a cool park just because of all the plants that are overgrown everywhere. Does it get any better than this view? I don't think so. You know, I never noticed the waterfall in the front. I wonder if that's new.
That's what your mom said.
I think it's new. I don't remember there being a waterfall. Zoom in right there.
I hope we can do the ride.
I think we're just gonna wait for it.
Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Wow.
I don't think that picture ever gets old. Justin's like, it's still new.
Nick, what side do we have to go on?
Left. It's only 15 minutes. That's good. Navi River journey.
Done with you. I'll stay yawning. My son will come now.
Anyways, the wait time for Avatar Flight of Passage went from 90 to 60. So we're gonna do this.
Every time we've always done fast.
So, as I've said in previous vlogs, this ride is absolutely incredible. Probably one of the best experiences that Disney has created. Would you agree, Jay? Would you agree this is possibly one of the greatest experiences Disney has created?
Yes, this is my favorite here.
My favorite of all time is Splash Mountain, just because I've loved this since I was a kid. Yes, lots of nostalgic, just like I love the Haunted Mansion, but this ride is unbeatable. You really can't get the full experience unless you're on it. Video doesn't do it justice, word doesn't do it justice. Mom is all head nods.
Hello, my name is Matt. I disagree not at everything you're saying.
I love the forced perspective up there. Like there's a super, super tiny tree, but it looks very big from down here, you know? I love the forced perspective that Disney does, and you know, the fact that it's all very immersive. It's not just rides with steel beams and everything, you know? That's why I love Disney and why it just triumphs everything. Universal's good too, but our family's always been a Disney family. And while I'm on that rant, the one thing about Universal that I'm not huge on is the fact that every other ride there's some sort of a screen in front of you. So that's my thing with Universal. I'm not a huge fan of having 30 rides in a row where it's like you gotta put on glasses.
But
so.
technically this one has a screen in front of you too.
This one does. But like when it's the whole park, I don't know. I'll pass. So what is it? Did I hear? Is this supposed to be like you're going through the airlock outside? Oh my god, this is so cool. Caution, loose rock and debris. You are entering a Pandora Conservation Initiative field site. Extreme toxicity levels, required inspection progress. So in here is the Pandora Conservation Initiative area, which I've never seen before, but I've never seen any of this before. See, the fast pass line that we normally go through, you don't go through this line, so, and we always have just had a fast pass. Oh, did you text that to everybody?
No, we're just mimicking you.
Oh,
No, you just sent a text.
You're me under the bus. Here we go. Just reporting that it was supposed to be 60 minutes. We're now walking into the free show at only 25 minutes.
Nikki, can you stay on the other side?
Human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone.
How's Mom hanging in there? She has a fear of heights, and the fact that she rides this every single time is absolutely crazy to me. There's many signs that says if you have a fear of heights or flying, do not ride. But she braves it. Justin, what did you think for your first time? Awesome.
Amazing.
We're entering Africa. And yes, I know that Jordan is out there wondering, yes, they have more than cookies in Africa. And the cookies are more than enough. The cookies are more than enough. Oh, look! I love this view. Expedition Everest, which we will be on later. It's only a 15-minute wait right now, but we're all gonna do Kilimanjaro Safari first. And I just saw, oh, here's the end of the line. I was about to say, I just saw a sausage, egg, and cheddar biscuit. Oh, it's right in there. It's right in there. I think I'm gonna go get it.
And this little piggy.
So, the sausage, egg, and cheddar biscuit. And even though it tastes like your stereotypical sausage, egg, and cheddar biscuit, I think it tastes better coming from Disney. We're gonna take a food vlogging bite here. I know a sausage, egg, and cheddar biscuit when I taste one. Public service announcement, and then we will leave it be. If a cast member tells you to get back in line, and if somebody tells you that, you should believe them. Do not get in a confrontation. We are at Disney World, folks. You're at Disney World. These COVID walls, yeah, these COVID walls are tight. If you had claustrophobia, I don't know. Okay.
That is a Swahili word. It means, let's go! Hey, Jumbo friends, and welcome to Runway Wildlife Reserve. My name is Jason, and throughout the journey we ask you to please stay sitting. Keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Also, make sure to keep your face covered, cover your nose, chin, mouth, show the course the whole journey. Hang tight to your valuables.
These plastic things are so weird. I don't like it. Can we just get through COVID, please? I want to feel the breeze in my hair, and I can't. Oh, nice and murky.
And up there to your right hand side is no copy. And for many years when people saw the old copy, they always thought it was related to the zebras. Slightly a little bit closer, around the 1900s, they found them to be the only known living relatives of the giraffe, as they share very similar head bone structures, very similar tongues. Oh, and I see you sleeping in the corner over here to your left, a black rhinoceros. Right. Now, the black rhinoceros weighs between 1,000 and 3,000 pounds. Top speed for this creature is between that of 30 to 35 miles per hour. And they're solitary creatures, and there's only very few and rare times you find two of them directly next to one another. One such occasion would be at nighttime near a water.
One
of the decisions, they do spend a lot of time in the water. They can fully submerge themselves and stay underneath the water even at full time. There's more to left. Now they start life about 80 pounds, but once they become fully grown, they're much closer to the 6,000 pound range. And they actually communicate between one another through their nostrils. They make this very loud and prominent wheezing, kind of honking kind of noise. Up there to your left hand side are some Nile crocodiles. Now, Nile crocodiles are a cold-blooded creature. Because when their mouths are fully open and extended, that is how they regulate their own body temperatures.
Oh, giraffe.
Up there to your right hand side, that is a Maasai giraffe over there. Now, there are about 9 different species of giraffe, and you can identify each species by their spot patterns. The Maasais have one of the easier ones to spot out because they don't really have a set pattern. Theirs is a messy pattern. Your right hand side is an African elephant. And to your left are some mandrills. Mandrills are the largest monkeys in the wild. fully grown, they only weigh around 100 pounds, so they start life around 67 pounds. As you see, there actually is a little one sitting on the lap of one inside the rocks over there. But there's also hundreds of blood vessels hiding in those ears. So when African elephants are flapping them during the summer times, they're trying to take that blood from the ears to circulate into their body. It's actually quite common to find lions there resting between the hours of 16 to 20 hours in a day away. They're much more active during the night times because that's when they'll be out and on the prowl for their next meal.
Well, I think I speak for all of us when I say that that was wild. I couldn't zoom it in, but you got the point.
Yes.
So we just had a nice lunch at Santuli Canteen. I had the beef and rice bowl.
And I picked out and had the beef and chicken rice bowl.
They're really good. They're not just normal rice bowls. They got boba balls. They got coleslaw.
Vinaigrette dressing.
Well, he got vinaigrette. I got this white cream dressing, which is super good. And now we're off to do a couple more rides before we end the vlog for the day. Then we're gonna go and after the vlog is over, we're gonna go back and get some dinner at Rainforest Cafe in downtown or Disney Springs. And yeah, so we're gonna try to hit Everest and Dinosaur, right, Dad?
Yes. 20 minutes for Dinosaur. We'll see how long we
Only 20 for Dinosaur?
Or no, for Everest.
No, for Everest, okay. Well, still, that's gonna be virtually a walk-on. So far, it's been pretty good, where everything that we've tried to get on has been significantly lower than what the actual wait time is posted. So, I don't know.
Little hit for the day. We did not get real crap. We got here about 8:15. And Navi was a walk-on.
Navi was a walk-on pretty much, but the second that clock hit 8:01, we were still waiting for a bus, and Flight of Passage went all the way up to 45 minutes. So, but we went on when it was 60, and it only ended up being a 30-minute wait. So I really think that Disney's been overestimating all the times. So just something to keep in mind. That's our next destination. Expedition Everest.
Ma'am, I need to check her height. Hi, guys. I need to check her height. Right before you
So a little fun fact is that when building all these buildings and all the architecture around Expedition Everest, all these brick buildings, they had sent Imagineers across the world over to Asia at the base villages of the Himalayas to go and really deeply study all of their architecture. You know, for example, all the buildings such as that. So it's all very accurate. But yeah, so they sent them over there for a couple of weeks just to study and take note of all of the architecture.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to board your train. Did you keep up with those parties ahead of you? Put away any loose articles before boarding the train. Your mask must be worn the entire ride. Thank you.
Have it out too. Oh my God. Here we go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh my God.
I don't know how you hold that thing up.
So we just got off Expedition Everest that we did twice because we came off the first time and we tried to get a picture, we couldn't get it. We came back up and up to the front counter in the gift shop, and the cast member there found her picture but said she couldn't give it to us because there's a woman behind us that didn't have her mask on during the photo. So she felt bad, she wanted to give us another opportunity to get it. And so she put us right through the fast pass line, straight back on a walk on. So we got to ride it twice.
Within 5 minutes.
Within 5 minutes. And we still didn't get the picture in
So it
time.
probably happened again. So
It
once
might have happened
4
again, yeah.
times.
Yeah, so if somebody takes their mask off for a photo, and if you go to try to get the photo, you never know, they may let you back on a ride again to try to get it. So as we're walking over to Dinosaur USA, or Dinoland USA, to go ride Dinosaur, some lady and her husband kept casually looking back, and then they quickly walked out of frame, and either she didn't want to be on the vlog or they thought that I was some important vlogger. So,
Maybe someday.
hey, maybe someday, we'll see. So this is a random update. Triceratops Spin is still up in Dinoland USA, but the, what's it called? The little mouse coaster, it spins.
I think that's permanently closed.
Primeval Whirl. Yeah, that's permanently closed because, well, I don't really know why. Obviously they have plans for something else, but Primeval Whirl is officially down. But we're gonna go finish off the day at Animal Kingdom with one of my personal favorite rides, Dinosaur, and we're gonna try to get this in the video. I don't know how dark it's gonna be, but we'll see.
Thanks for visiting us today. The company this company has fully recognized and when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave.
Tim! Wow! That was a lot of animal. Of all the dinosaurs, none was more ferocious than Carnotaurus. This dinosaur had the instincts of a clever hunter and a taste for meat.
I don't know. We're just letting people in like spurts and spurts and spurts.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a little one.
All damage. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Lock the Now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move
Warning, meteor strike.
it! Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right!
Oh my god.
That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Damn it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Well, that is going to conclude it for today. Thank you all very much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and that was a fun day. We did everything that we wanted to do, and yeah.
Time for some more dinosaurs and eat at Rainforest Cafe.
Yes, absolutely.